Hello, Southern Tennessee Mom. Today we're going to make baked chicken. And I have 8 tablespoons of butter in a glass dish here. I'm going to just microwave it just until it's melted. Okay, I did melt it on about a minute in my microwave. It might take less than yours. And I have some olive oil here. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the mixture. Then I'm going to put, I have some Weber's dry rub. It's the original. It's for chicken or pork. I'm actually going to put a whole tablespoon in this. Actually, I think I'll put a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. It smells really good. Alright, so I'm going to mix that up. I have a 1/4 of a teaspoon here. I have some paprika. And I love paprika on chicken. It's really good. I'm going to put an 1/8 of a teaspoon. Or 2. Yeah, an 1/8. So 2 1/4 teaspoons. And then I'm going to put a 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder. Then I have some Italian seasoning here. I'm going to do a 1/4 of a teaspoon of it. And I have some salt-free seasoning. I'm going to add a 1/4 of a teaspoon of it. That is smelling pretty darn good. Then we're going to add a 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper, black pepper. And we're going to add a 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to give that a good mix. I have just a regular baking dish here. I've sprayed it with cooking spray oil. I've washed my chicken. I've got some chicken breasts and some legs. I have 2 chicken legs and I have 6 chicken breasts. And I'm going to slide it in the pan. And then I have a brush here, just a silicone brush. I'm going to take and just brush it over the chicken. And now I'm going to do both sides of this chicken, so I want it really good and coated. Alright, I have just a little bit of the mixture left. I'm just going to pour it in the bottom of the pan. Because like I said, I'm going to cook this on 300. So it's going to cook slow. But I want mine to cook slow. So we're going to put this in the oven and I'll bring you back when it's done. Alright, I just took the chicken out of the oven. And I did turn the chicken up to 425 for the last 30 minutes. I cooked it on 300 for an hour and a half. So, and then I cooked it for the last 30 minutes on 425. So a good 2 hours, but look at this chicken. It is good and tender. I don't have to worry about my meat not be done. I mean, if you can see that, look how tender that is. I just pulled it all up with this tongs. But it is really good. And it is, I think it's going to taste awesome. Get a small piece of it here. Oh, yes. That is very good. Well, God bless you and have a good evening.